What's up, YouTube? Today we are going to do a mystery tackle box unboxing for the month of February. I've recently got my mystery tackle box subscription back, and I'm going to keep it for a little while at least. So every time I get one, I will do an unboxing for you guys, so you guys can see what month and what I get. The one that I'm doing today is the Pro Box. The next one that I'm going to be doing is the new mystery tackle box Elite box. So never had the Elite box, it's brand new. I'm kind of excited about it. It said that it shipped on the 1st, so it should be any day now that I get it. So really, in theory, you may get this video, and then in a couple days you're going to get another one. Sorry, there's a car. But yeah, so I'm going to do the Pro Tackle Box, Mystery Tackle Box today, and then I will do the Elite Mystery Tackle Box as soon as I get it in. So, and I'll do it a little different, and I'm going to explain that. The video, the actual unboxing, I'm out on the water. I'm going to cut out the beginning and the end of it because I was talking about trying to do a slam and stuff. So you guys are going to see it cut out a little bit. Hopefully I can make it not look stupid, but I'll do my best, I promise. But yeah, so we tried to do a slam and a small tournament on Saturday, but the fish would not cooperate at all. So it is what it is, but I didn't want to waste the footage of me actually unboxing my mystery tackle box. So I hope you guys enjoy that. But before I actually show you sorry, get this out. Okay, before I show you guys my mystery tackle box unboxing, do me a favor, scroll down, hit that subscribe button. Usually I put a video out at least once a week, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on what's going on. But you guys can look forward to tips, tricks, mystery tackle box unboxing, and a whole lot of fishing and hunting. Mostly fishing because hunting season's over right now, and I can't go hunting. Legally, I mean, I could go hunting, but legally I'd get in trouble, so I'm not up for that. But yeah, subscribe to my channel. Hopefully in the next couple weeks I'll be doing some fishing. The pre-spawn should be kicking up pretty soon, so you guys definitely want to come back and check that out. But I really hope you guys enjoy this February edition mystery tackle box unboxing. I'm excited today because I got my MTB box. So I'm gonna try to do a slam today. I got my cousin Trevor with me. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing real quick, and then we will go from there. We'll catch some fish, hopefully. I've already taken a couple of the baits out. The first one I'll show you is the one I'm most excited about. It is this jerk bait right here. It is a Lucky Craft USA series. I'm really excited about this. I think we're gonna do really good on it. All right, other than that, I've got some 3/0 hooks, worm hooks. They're offsets. I've got a Carolina rig set up in here. And hopefully, let me see if I can find the rest of the Carolina rig. Got this bad boy. Got these. I'm gonna try to set up a Carolina rig with some of these Catch Company. These are Gator Hog 3.75 and a Watermelon Red. I'm gonna try to catch something on that. I have a finesse jig rigged up on another one of my poles right now with one of these mini kicking Okeechobee craws. So I'm gonna try to catch one. I've got those on the back of one of my my jigs right now. Let's see, we got one of these Randy's Swimming Runners. I think I'll be able to catch something on these. I don't know if I'll catch any size. I had one of these earlier last year and I ended up losing. I caught a lot of small fish, but nothing big, but we'll see. I don't really know. And then what I'm most excited about, honestly, is this 6th Sense lipless crankbait, because everybody knows it is time for a lipless crankbait. But the water's a little bit murky today. We're already out on it. We've already got launched. I'm in my uncle's boat right now, so we're gonna go look at the fish finder, find some fish, and yeah, I'm gonna kick his butt. We're gonna do a little bit of a tournament today. We're gonna do the best 5 fish. So I've got a scale in my tackle box. We're gonna have, you know, the best 5 fish wins. We haven't really thought of a punishment or anything for the loser yet, but yeah, we'll figure it out as we go. So you guys kick back, relax, and let's go catch some fish. Okay guys, so obviously the slam and the tournament did not happen like it was supposed to. I did just want to throw this last little bit in there in case you guys didn't catch it before. I was unable to complete the slam. I was unable to catch anything. Like, the sonar had nothing above 25, 30 foot, and nothing was biting at all. The water was super cold. Just wasn't happening. So I apologize that video that you just saw, the cat literally just attacked my puppy. Look. Let me show you the puppy real fast. Look, see the puppy? And then that monster just attacked my puppy. But anyway, that's beside the point. So yeah, let's get back to the main point of this video. Is the mystery tackle box unboxing was the wrong video for what I needed to do. So I apologize for that. Next time, I've learned my lesson. I will do a mystery tackle box unboxing before we actually go out and try to make a video. So I apologize. And then again, if you guys aren't subscribed, scroll down, hit the subscribe button, come back and visit me. You guys have a good one.